Hi, Batch 1991. Welcome back to Siena. Sana share ninyo yung mga beautiful experiences ninyo from 1991 to 2006 o 2007. I just hope yung mga beautiful experiences ninyo ay kahit pa paano nakatulong doon ng naging experience ninyo sa Siena College State Time. Lalo na yung mga activities natin dito, yung early high school, at saka yung mga spiritual formation ninyo, yung mga, lalo-lalo na yung mga teachers ninyo, yung classroom advisors. Ay, yung mga nandun sa abroad, no? Sana maalala nyo rin kami. Kahit sa mga dasal lang, no? Tapos I was so surprised to see these people, yung dalawang tao ngayon na nandito kumukuha sa akin, ha? Jerry and Harold. Jerry parang high school pa rin. si Harold naman talagang may traces na ng how many years? 15 years ba?
16.
16 years. May traces na si... Kumbaga, nag-accumulate na si Harold. Pero so gwapo pa rin, no? So gwapo. So, I'm so happy na nagkaganap yung reunion nyo after 16 years. Makita ninyo ang improvement na siya na college na ito naging ganito dahil sa pinave ninyo ang way. No? Kayo yung nag-graduation na day before, pinupukupa yung stage ninyo. No? Tapos yung mga drums lang sa ilalim. No? Tapos yung bato-bato pa yan dyan sa may harapan ng mga cottages pa tayo noon. But I know, kahit gano'n ang situation pa natin noon, you did enjoy your stage na college. So again, welcome back and enjoy your party, and sana hindi lang ito ang pag-ibigan na dito ninyo gaganap sa Siena. And this school is always open to all of you na gusto mag-reunion dito sa campus. Mayroon tayong swimming pool. Pwede ninyong pakita pa rin yung mga 36, 24, 36. Kaya 24, 36, 36. Okay, so I'm so happy talaga. This is my first time din na mag-conduct ako na interview. You could see the other batches. No, wala. But I'm dito sa ginawa ni Harold at saka ni Jerry. So, hindi ako, dala-dala nila ang gadgets nila, no? To do these things. Yung assignment yata nila ito, no? So, again, I wish you a very, very Holy Christmas and a blessed New Year. So, more blessings to your batch. Okay?
Hello! Welcome back, Batch 91. Kumusta na kayong lahat? Ayan, hawak ko pa ang ating yearbook. Nag-yellow na ang kulay. Halatang luma na, matatanda na kayo. Anyway, welcome back to Siena College. At nakita-kita tayo sa 29. Okay? Congratulations! Ang dami-dami na akong nabalitaan na successful. Siyempre, yan, masaya kami na teachers because we're part of your success. Welcome back!
Hello, Batch 91! 91 nga ba, Harold? Okay. Special sa St. Rose of Lima. Lima nga, no? Okay. Yun lang.
Hello! Okay na, ready na?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas!
Yes.
Batch, ano ba session?
Batch night, ano ko na, St. Margaret.
Di ba? Great.
How are you na?
The Magnus of Peace.
Kami nandito pa rin sa Siena, kayo kung saan nakakarating. Wish you all the luck.
Hi, Batch 91. Mr. Luna ito. Baka nakakalimutan nyo. Ako yung dating Mr. Luna. Ako yung ngayon Mr. Luna at magpakailanman Mr. Luna. So, by the way, congratulations sa Batch 91. 16 years ago, kayo yung makita-kita muli dito sa ating paaralan. Congratulate ko kayo, lalo sa pamunuan ng inyong batch. Pero huwag niyong kakalimutan ang ating school kung saan kayo nanggaling. Dahil lahat naman tayo, kung sakasakali, anuman kayo, anuman ang inyong katayuan ngayon, kahit paano naging bahagi sa inyo ang Siena College Taytay. So, kagaya ko, nandito pa rin. Ako'y nagpapasalamat, binibisita nyo kami dito. At kung sakasakaling ako'y makapunta sa inyong reunion, ay kumbaga, siguro mas lalong masaya ang aking maramdaman dahil kahit paano, after 16 years ay magkita-kita ulit tayo. So, muli ay congratulations sa inyong batch at para hindi nyo ako lalong makalimutan, kung hindi nyo para nakalimutan ito, ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo dati, na treat this as your own wife. Kahit saan pumunta, dapat dala-dala mo. Thank you!
Hi, to batch 91. Congratulations for coming out with this event, and then hopefully you'll be successful in gathering all your classmates and batchmates. So I'm Serene Logato, by the way, baka nakalimutan ninyo sa scouting. Now I'm in charge of the community outreach, community development program of Siena College Taytay. Hopefully you can be part of our programs in terms of sponsors in our night high school program, and come up to become our resources, human resources in our projects, in our community projects. So hopefully you can be part of us. Thank you.
Without you, but you will.
Students of batch 1991. Again, this is your teacher in chemistry, Mrs. Marlene Carson. Remember me? Oh, I will never forget the moments we had, the memorable moments we had in chemistry. I know you are all very successful in your chosen career. Some of you have been doctors, engineers, in other courses. So I'm very glad to hear that you as students of Siena College Taytay have been very successful in your chosen career. I would like to mention some names like Eleanor, si Penelim, Jerry, Harold, Christian, kapili crush ko yun. Alam mo naman, Christian remember ng chemistry natin, you really have to study because you want to prove na talaga it's really worth your effort na maging inspiration. Mo ako, inspiration din kita. To all of you, batch 91, I'm so happy once again to be with you. If not to attend your reunion, it is a grand celebration for all of us. And indeed, I'm very happy to hear of the many successes that you have obtained. Some of you have been abroad, like Jerry. Oh, Jerry, nag-abroad ka na, I know. Tapos may Dr. Batay, Dr. Harold. Okay. And also to the other members of batch 1991, I wish you success in the future, and I know that in your chosen field, as of now, you have proven yourself to be very successful. Before I end, alam nyo, 62 na ako, pero feeling great pa rin. Para akala mo hindi nagbabago, no? I'm already 62 last December 10. O, birthday ko, sana nandun kayo, nag-celebrate tayo ng birthday ko. Okay, and before I end this message, I wish you all a very prosperous New Year, and of course, a blessed Christmas. Hello, bye-bye.